there, everybody. My name's Desi. I run the blog for I do the art for AeroReplies. I also, as of last summer, I do all the writing and scripting and stuff. And yeah, what I wanted to show everybody here today was how I storyboard my updates for the blog. Um, my comics about It's usually about a boy named Aero. He likes to cross dress, and we follow through his adventures in trying to figure out his sexuality, his gender alignment, and all that stuff. Um, but also recently, we've been also having recently, it's been announced that Dinky, the character in the blog, is trans. So I'm going to call Dinky by he/him pronouns, even though in this flashback it takes place before the realization of hey, maybe I don't think I'm a girl, but yeah, it's just for the keep it simple. I'm going to use he/him pronouns for Dinky. Yeah. Dinky in this universe is Arrow's brother, and as you can probably also guess, Derpy is also Arrow's mother. Which makes like, yay, OCX canon stuff. I made this blog when I was only like 16. Not 16. It was like 18 with my ex-boyfriend and all that stuff. Yay. But it slowly became a blog about much more than just a bunch of fan service and stuff. You can find it on AeroReplies.tumblr.com, and its current schedule, it updates twice a month, the first 2 weeks on a Friday or Saturday. But yeah, first let's just jump into it. First week, I like to start out my boards on a really large canvas, usually like 4,500 by 4,500, and I add in these squares so that I can draw in the panels and such. I usually have about 30 squares, because I usually never know how long a scene is going to be. And it's usually because my scripts are very, very simple. They don't have, it's just basically the dialogue, and then I figure out where to put the dialogue within the panels later. It's not the most organized, but it works for me because I don't like being restricted by my script, so I like to leave enough room for me to work with and to come up with stuff on the fly, which is how most of my ideas and most of my best work comes from, is from ideas I kind of just come up on the fly and stuff. Like, ad-libbing is a really important part for me personally. I know others like to more organized. They like to have everything planned out start to finish. But for me, I like to leave a little bit of mystery, a little bit of creative freedom for me to add stuff and change things. But yeah, as you can see, like the very, very washed out gray is the silhouettes. It's very, very rough, like very preliminary sketches and stuff. Like, it's for just figuring out where to place the characters, how much space that they take up within the panel, and so I can figure out where to put them, basically. And later I penciled them in, like right here, and I figure out all the minor details. And like, see, I just ad-libbed that pony in the background because I was like, hey, maybe I should put a little guy here. It'll be funny. Because hey, you guys broke my wall. See, that's where I like to to ad-lib stuff, so I can just like make stuff on the fly. It doesn't have to be so concrete from the script. Sketching the minor details from the silhouettes I did. They don't have to be super detailed. I don't like to make them like super duper detailed and stuff. I just need to know what I wanted to convey. What I was trying to convey. Like, it doesn't have to be like masterpiece sketches, because I'm just going to color it in, later it in, and ink them and stuff. So I just have it simple enough that I can understand for later and to make my inking easier. For Aero style, it's very, very simple, very loose. I try to not have it be super detailed, but have it enough detailed that look like I put effort into it. Usually my storyboards take about 2 hours, but this one in particular only took me 1, since it's mainly just Dinky and his future girlfriend, Lily. This is the story of how they met, which was in an alley when Lily was getting bullied by some big bad girls. Cause you made me lose the kickball tournament, Lily. Ooh, you're so useless and worthless. And Lily's like, oh no, I'm sorry. And then you get Birdie, and the Dicky comes in like, hey, drink this. Oh, I'm like super strong. Lily's like, I don't know about that. Just do it, okay? And then you do it. He breaks the wall. And that's how they met. Wonderful love story. Yeah. I guess that's pretty much it. You have to have a lot of passion to do comics, especially for me doing Aero. Like, I don't get that much money from doing these updates, like less than $100 recently. Like, they think I don't like to complain about money and stuff. It's just like, I try to put enough effort, because I still want this story to look nice and stuff. But anyway, that's it for now. Sorry I couldn't show you the whole process, because half of it, like the silhouetting and paneling and stuff, got corrupted. And I was like, oh no, that would be really cool to explain. But yeah, you can see, like, if you're an artist like myself, you can kind of guess. But if you want me to do a very, very start for finished video, then I can do that. Okay. So yeah, you can follow me at AeroReplies.tumblr.com, and you can support the blog at patreon.com/AeroReplies. So yay. If you have any questions or anything you want me to explain about how I do my work, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Okay, bye bye.